Hi guys, I'm Shrilyasta. I'm back after a very long time, and this time I have created a video that you requested to my Instagram polls. And I'm also here to share awareness about a brand that I've been using for like 1 year. So let's get started. I just want to say that this look is a very simple yet very classy look. You can do it for your brunch or if you go on a date. Also, I like to mention that this makeup is suitable for all age. So now without further delay, let's get started. I always start my makeup with a moisturizer. This is a youthful hydrating moisturizing lotion. Now this is from MyGlam. The benefit of this product is it will instantly cool and hydrate your skin with this unique aqua holding formula, and it will also soothe your irritated or UV damaged skin. Now I am listing the links below in the description box and mentioning the price on the screen. You can use those links to purchase the products from MyGlam website or app. Now this is a simple makeover and we won't be needing much products. So after applying the moisturizer, I am directly going to my brows. Now for this I am going to use this Stay Defying 2-in-1 waterproof matte eyeliner plus HD brow powder. This is a very unique product that has both eyeliner and brow product. This is very easy to use. As you can see with the applicator, you can just fill your brows. These are available in two shades, Ebony and Walnut. Another is Nutmeg and Espresso. I am using Ebony and Walnut. You can see it's so easy to apply, and within a minute I am getting full brows, and it also gives you a natural look. Also, as said before, I will be listing the price on the screen and links in my description box below. So now I'm done with both the brows. Now to get started, I will cover my dark circles, which are pretty huge. Now for this, I will be using the Total Makeover FF Cream palette. It has a foundation, concealer and a color corrector. So my palette is quite dirty because I've used it a lot of times. So this is how it looks. Now for this, you need to apply the orange corrector first, conceal it with the concealer, and then you can get started with the foundation. This palette is available in 5 shades: Cappuccino, Honey, Latte, Dusky, and another one is Hazelnut. Yeah. So I've already covered my dark circles. Now I'm not going to use the concealer for today. This is a simple makeover, so I will be directly going with the foundation. So this is the Pose HD foundation stick from MyGlam. They are available in 10 shades. So all you have to do is just apply the stick foundation and blend it with the beauty blender. Now you can see the application is so easy. Just make sure the beauty blender is wet. Now my shade is Warm Sand. This foundation has a buildable coverage. You can use the link below to see the shade that matches with you. They clearly mention the undertone of your skin, so it's very easy for you to determine the shade. Now I'm done with my base makeup. Now it's time for blush and some contouring. So for this, I will definitely choose this Chisel It palette. It's available in 2 shades, Face Value and Poker Face. I'm using the Face Value shade. The colors are so damn good. It's pigmented and also gives you a natural look. Now I'm applying it with a blender to give a natural look to my skin. I have weird ways while doing makeup, so you have to go with it. Now I won't put much blush or contouring on my face, and I will directly go with the eye makeup. Now this palette is recently launched in association with Popexo. So it's another range from MyGlam. This palette is Sen Nudes. Yeah, the names are really wild, and the palettes are so beautifully curated. So I'm using the pink shade. If you see closely, the palette has 4 shades: a plum shade, a very light pink shade, a shimmery glow gold shade, and a brown color. So first I'm going with the pink. So I'm filling up my lids with the pink color. Now I know it's pretty hard to understand the color, so I'm just giving a zoom in view to show you how lightly I have applied the pink color. It's basically looking like a soft peach color on my eyelid. So I'm just going with it, blending it all over my lid. So as far you have seen, this is the easiest tutorial. I'm going with some contouring because I have chubby face and a large nose. So I'm using the Chisel It palette basically. Now the USP of this look is the lips. I'm going to show you some great products, so just wait for it. Now this is the crayon from MyGlam. The shade is Biscotti. This is my everyday wear lipstick. I love the shade. It's a mixture between pink and orange. It's the best nude lipstick I have used in a while. And as usual, I have kept the most important product till the end, and that's a lip voluminizer or plumper, whatever you see. I'm just going to use it for the first time, but before that I want to get done with the mascara. So this is like hands down everyone in my family use it, the MyGlam Twisted Mascara. I use it because I am not comfortable with the eyelash color, but with this you get instant lifted lashes, that too with great volume. So this is how I use it. I twist the applicator and then I apply the mascara along with curl my lashes. I just wanted to show you it in detail, so just watch it. I literally love this product to the core, and I would recommend this to everybody. Whoever likes using mascara, please use this product for once. Now I wanted to give a little bounce and curl to my hair, so I just curled it up in the morning and wanted to make it look natural, so I tied it up for at least an hour. I want to brush this hair, but before that, oh my god, I'm so excited. I haven't taken it out of the packaging yet. This is the lip voluminizer. Since now I've used it, I'm recording the video, I can definitely say it gives your lips an extra glossy, plumping look. It will tingle a little bit, but it's worth it, guys. So the application is very funny. You just need to press it like a dot pen, and then I hope you can see the gloss. My god, right on the camera I'm getting excited after looking at the visuals. So yes, it will tingle for a little bit, and it will give a very plump look after at least 2 minutes. So this is the first sensation I was having, and I had to record it because that's how you will feel. Now I need to brush my hair, so you can opt for a ponytail or you can keep it messy as it looks. Now I have to wrap up the makeup first, so I'm just using a fixing spray. You can use it from any brand. So I thought of going with a ponytail, so I will just brush my hair. I will do a tight ponytail and my look will be completed. But I hope till now you liked my look. It's very easy and it will give you a very classy look. So this is how I was looking after doing the ponytail. I didn't brush the end of my strands just to give it a messy look. I just used a rat tail comb and gave a clear finish to this hairstyle. I hope you like it, guys. This is my personal favorite. And yes, I loved it with minimum efforts.